So we've talked about the universal law of healing. We've talked about how separation causes suffering because the universe loses itself. It loses its self-awareness in that separation. It needs that separation though. I mean, it really does. The universe would not exist without that duality. It's the journey of life. It's the journey of the universe. It's the purpose of the universe to lose its self-awareness and then regain it through awakening from its suffering. Now, I should just mention here that a common thing for people to think here is to get a little bit disillusioned and go, well, why is there suffering? Why does it have to do it this way? Now, we should always remember that the age of suffering that we're talking about here, if you look at really massive scales, it's only tiny. It's tiny, tiny, tiny. Really, if you look at the journey of the planet, let's say, it's been around for about 4.5 billion years or so, and it's going to be around for a lot longer. And the age of suffering, if we're just talking about 12,000 years, as an example, it's tiny. It's tiny. It's almost like on cosmic scales, it's just like a line that the universe crosses over. It suffers and then it awakens and it flowers and it self-awareness or self-realization unfolds dramatically. So that journey, let's go back to that journey of healing or journey of self-realization. Because at this point, from where that healing journey starts in the soul, it's various things along the way which contribute to that healing. Various things along the way which the soul learns as it goes through its incarnations. And things that it tries to point its lower mind towards through intuition. Now, you guys have been doing this a long time. Countless incarnations following a particular path, following the spiritual path. Every incarnation, again and again and again, doing these same things to try and decrease the levels of karma and decrease the levels of negative karma and stop trying to produce more. Because that's the big problem with karma. It's cyclical. You produce some negative karma, and while you're burning it, you produce some more. And while you're burning that, you produce some more. So that's a big part of people's life plans, or high minds' life plans, is to stop producing more. And this is where we get into the layers of the human system, the layers of the healing pyramid, which is material body layer, bioenergy layer, emotional layer, psychological layer, and spiritual layer.